Nakabihis na ang baby. Show me your bathing suit, babe. Wow, so cute. Turn around. Gosh, representing Barangay Waterfall. Nakapil kami sa waterfall na. Paris, smile here. Wow, got beach. Wait for mommy. Did you like it? Wow, daddy, go swim. Have a look at daddy. Daddy, swim. Wow, daddy swimming na. Where's daddy? A biscuit.
Like Jake.
Like Jake, yeah.
Jake like it.
Jakey like that for sure. Alam nyo kung sino ang salarin dito, guys? Si Kimpoy Feliciano. Ayan, ikaw talaga yung may kasalanan nito, Koy. Guys, welcome back to our channel. So today ay Sabado and it's currently 2 o'clock ng hapon, guys. And kakapark lang namin dito sa harapan ng isang Filipino grocery shop at the same time parang Filipino restaurant. Yung biyahe from our place to dito is tingnan natin yung oras. 1 hour. Isang oras talaga, guys. Kasi, nung umalis kami ng bahay, it was 1:11 and it's now 2:11. Alam nyo kung sino ang salarin dito, guys? Si Kimpoy Feliciano. Ayan. Ikaw talaga yung may kasalanan nito, Koy. Ikaw ang may kasalanan kung bakit napadpad kami dito. Kahit na sobrang malayo, ay pinuntahan talaga namin, guys. So, yesterday, Friday, after work, nanood ako ng YouTube, nanood ako ng vlog ni Kimpoy Feliciano, and yung vlog niya yesterday, guys, was yung kasama niya yung pinsan niya, at dito sila kumain, and oh my god, nung nakita ko yung cassava cake, yung kutsinta, and yung anong tawag dito, yung banana turon. Yung banana turon, guys, oh my god, sobrang naglaway talaga ako. And you know me, I'm still in this state ng paglilihi. At the moment, yung mga gusto kong kainin ay yung mga Filipino food. At parang inano talaga ng panahon na mapanood ko yung video na yun, guys, kasi I've never been here. May mga napuntahan na akong Filipino restaurant na dito sa Melbourne, guys. Marami na. Pero ito, hindi ko pa talaga napuntahan, guys. At nung nakita ko talaga yung video ni Kimpoy Feliciano, oh my god, sabi ko sa sarili ko, I have to go there. At yesterday, pumunta si Daddy Mike ng gym. Pagka uwi niya, sabi niya, what's the plan for tomorrow? And you know what, guys? Ang sabi ni mami niyo, sabi ko straight away na we need to go to that place, yung Filipino shop sa Deer Park. So, yeah, guys, yan yung backstory kung bakit nandito kami ngayon. And I'm super excited kasi sana, I'm hoping na yung mga banana turon, yung mga ganun-ganun meron sila, guys. Kasi yun talaga yung pinuntahan ko dito. Sobrang gutom na gutom ako. Hindi talaga ako kumain para dito, guys. And I'm hoping na hindi ako yung magsusuka kasi feel ko kanina, sabi ko nga kay Daddy Mike nung nag-stop kami doon sa yung sa traffic light, sabi ko, may plastic bag ba tayo dito sa sasakyan? Kasi feel ko na parang magsusuka ako, guys. But I'm really hoping, fingers crossed, na wag muna kasi gusto ko munang kumain, guys. Gusto ko talagang kumain pa muna. Anyways, alis na tayo kasi tingnan nyo ang ating baby girl. Hello! Hindi na rin siya makapaghintay. Ayan, let's go out na, guys, kasi mainit dito sa sasakyan. You have to wait. What can you smell, Nak? I can smell food.
Smell vinegar.
I can smell. Yeah. Smells so good, guys. Come on, let's go.
Let's go. Come, Madari-san.
Oh, it smells so good. Madali siyang hanapin, guys, kasi nasa corner. Ayan, let's go in. Oh, wala. Ang daming tao, guys. Hala. Hala. Kasya? Hindi yata kasya mo dito. Wait, anak. Where's the go? You will, we will. You have to wait, okay? Stay here, Baba. There's the go. Baba. Sorry. Hala, busy nila dito, guys. Ay, pero sobrang, sumusugod. So, meron silang mga bird. Ayan. Yan. Lahat ng klase ng Filipino bird na dito, guys. Tapos may mga grocery din sila dito. Pero gusto ko talagang kumain, guys. Ayan, yung mapagkain nila. Wait, Baba. Come this way, Paris.
Berkes?
How would you like that?
Ito, yung katapa nyo. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Hi, next po!
Sobrang busy nila dito. Pero si ate nyo ay naka-extra rice. Ayan, naka-extra rice. Tapos nag-order na rin ako nito, guys. Turon, kasi baka maubusan tayo. Tapos yung kuchinta. Tapos kasama kay Ken O. Pinatabi ko na kasi baka maubusan tayo, guys. Sobrang busy kasi nila. Ganyan yung sa likuran ng daming tao. Pero hindi pa ako tapos kumain, guys. Sabi ni Daddy na I'm having a feast daw. Whatever, guys. Tinahin niyo ang bamboo, guys. Dinubo. And
Barbecue.
yan, dinubuan. Fresh ba?
Around that.
Pangalawang rice ko na ito, guys. At nag-order pa pala ako ng halo-halo. Oo, di ba? Iba ng simuntis. Habang hindi pa tayo nagsusuka, kain tayo ng kain.
Madali pa.
Hinan niyo yung video. Sobrang sarap.
Yeah, thanks.
Oh my God, guys, ang bilis ng kain ko ba? Nasyap yata ang tiyan ko, guys. Ito, may naiwan pa tayo sa ating hinuan. At ito, I'll see if kaya ko pa, guys. But it's the moment of truth now. Ito talaga yung naanuhan ko kahapon sa video ni Kimpoy. Ting-ding-ding. So, ito yung ating turon. Bibili pa ako ng pang take away nito, guys. Dito pala yung dalawa. Nak, say hi, Nak.
Hi. Say hi, little darling.
Guys, tumating na siya. Halo in the house. It looks really yummy.
You
Ito pa nga naubos yung ating
You wanna look at it?
Oh guys, gusto kong kainin lahat. Oh my God.
She loves it.
Here's this one ako.
No.
Say
Hi guys! Time check tayo. It's now 4:50 ng hapon and kakarating lang namin dito sa beach. Ang ating baby girl ay kakagising lang din guys, kaya ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog. Oh my god, yung aking tiyan ay sobrang puno ng pagkain guys. I'm super full. Parang magkakasakit na yata ako guys dahil sa kabusugan na nararamdaman ko ngayon. Ayan, ang ating daddy Mike ay super excited na kasi alam nyo naman pag beach, parang buang yan siya pagdating sa beach. Super excited. Yung mga ano guys, na pamili ko from the shop pala, mamaya ko na ipapakita sa inyo ha, kasi itong dalawa ay excited na for swimming sa beach. Ayan. Kaya mamaya pag uwi natin, pakita ko sa inyo. Ang dami ko rin na pamili from the grocery there guys.
We have to put the
It's
shoes
too
on.
hot honey.
You can't walk on the ground, yeah.
Sobrang init guys. I think it's 30 something degrees today. And it's, kahit na malapit na siyang mag 5 o'clock, sobrang ano pa rin, strong pa rin ang araw ba? Are you excited to go swim?
Yes.
Yes?
Look at the trees.
Yeah, there's lots of trees
Where's the other
here.
shoe?
That's a new tree.
That's a new tree. We're gonna put the sunscreen on.
I'm going to put
Where's your shoe? Where's the shoe, Mum?
right here.
It's the other way around there. Achoo!
And start over one.
Yeah, shoes. Shoes. Paris, Nicole.
Shoes. Wow.
Let's go, Mummy.
The never hat is
Oh, you have to put the wear. You have to wear the hat on because it's very hot, anak.
it's not.
It is.
It's not.
Wait until you go out and you'll see. You'll feel it's very hot.
Ready?
Yeah. Bumili na si daddy ng ano guys, parking ticket. Ayan. So, we can stay here until 6:30. So, ano ba yan? Yeah, 1 hour and a half from now. Oh, God, sobrang init. Oh my gosh, I feel sick. Sus, ayan ang independent girl, oh. Miss Independent, ayaw magpatulong. Yan. Oh. Are you ready, Paris?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll just put the sunscreen on Paris. Ayan. Tapos yung kanyang bathing suit. Ayan. Si Daddy Mike nilagay ng tubig sa water bottle namin. Come na, sit here.
Put your clothes on, honey.
Ah, dinala ko pala to guys. Tingnan nyo. Binili ko to siya from the Filipina restaurant. Macaroons. Oh, snack. Habang naliligo silang dalawa kasi hindi naman ako sasama sa kanila guys. Burn! Come on na, sit down. Sit down. Sit down properly. Sit down properly, Paris.
Yeah, got it, parents.
What did you say?
Parents.
Ate. Ate Paris.
Parents.
Yeah.
I'm going to take my slippers.
No, don't take it off because the sand is really hot. The sand will be really hot. Very strong yung kanilang sand. Ma? Very strong the sand.
That's what's swimming.
Nakabihis na ang baby.
Need to go.
Show me your bathing suit, babe. Wow, so cute. Turn around. Ayush, representing Barangay Waterfall. Nakapil kami sa waterfall na. Nakapil kami sa waterfall.
Alright, let's move before it gets too cold.
Let's go. Wait for mommy. No.
Oh shit.
Oh, ayan ang ating Daddy Mike guys, oh. Naiwala na naman ang kanyang phone.
You took it, Mommy.
No, Daddy lost his phone. Go, have a look in the car. Maybe it's in the car. Go, follow Daddy.
Go on. I run to check in the car?
Yeah.
Can you stay walk there, some cars?
Yeah. The keys in there. See?
Where? Yeah.
The pocket, Bob. Paris, you smile here? Wow, got beach. Wait for mommy. Maraming tao ngayon kasi very warm. Wala pa naman kaming payong, guys. Itong dalawang to, magliligo to sila. Ako, hindi talaga ako masama sa kanila sa ganyan, guys. Kasi even though warm yung panahon, yung tubig sobrang init pa rin. Gentle na, careful. Yan, oh, tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Careful, Baba. Hala, walang shade dyan, guys, ba? Sobrang init. Paris, careful, anak. Madusmo ka, anak.
Ayan, Baba.
Hala, dito kami, guys. Walang payong. Sobrang init. I might go back in the car. Sumasakit ulo ko dito, guys. Paris, Pico! Come here.
You putting that bottle of water?
Inside. Paris has to drink it. Get to drink water. Come here. Do you like it? Wow. Daddy, go swim. Have a look at Daddy. Daddy, swim. Wow. Daddy swimming na. Where's Daddy? Si Mami, guys. Wala talaga akong ganito, guys. Kasi sa Pilipinas ako, guys, yung bahay namin malapit sa dagat talaga. Kaya sobrang itim ko noon kasi every lunchtime naliligo sa dagat. Hindi na ako na-excited. Pero itong isa, oo, ito. Did you like it? Did you like it? Oh, Daddy. Jump. Jump na. Jump ba? So it's now 7 o'clock at ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog. Kanina pa pala kami nakauwi. However, my head is hurting, guys. I think dahil sa init ito. Sa beach kanina, sobrang init. Sobrang init talaga, guys. Tapos wala pang shade. Kaya yun, sobrang sumakit talaga yung ulo ko, guys. So pagka-uwi namin talaga, diretso muna ako sa bed. Parang naghiga-higa muna ako konti, ganun. Ang ating baby girl ay hindi ko pa pala na rinse ba ng na water sa shower kasi ayan nanonood pa ng kanyang Peppa Pig at kumakain siya. But after this, guys, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga napamili ko from the shop, Filipino shop. And then after nito, I'll take Paris in the shower. Ayan. Plano sana kanina, guys, gustong dalhin ni Daddy Mike si Paris din sa park. Yun yung gustong gawin din ni Paris, but I can't anymore, guys. Like, yung aking ulo ay parang mabibiyak na sa sakit. And you know what's worse about it is that I can't take any medication right now. So I'll just, drink water and rest. That's all I can do. But yeah, so ito yung binili ko, guys. Bumili ako ng mamon tostado. Ayan. So they were selling it for $10.49. Ayan. So basically $10.50, guys. Masarap to sa umaga. Parisan ng kape, ganyan, kapag hindi ko feel na magsuka. I've got Sky Flakes as well, and the chocolate. And then I've got this one, Pandi Coco. Dalawa pa sila, guys. Ang pinaparos yung isa kanina. Iba pa rin yung pandiko ko sa atin guys. Uy, alam niyo yung parang orange yung kanyang kulay. Iba pa yung sarap. Bumili ako ng suka na may mga ano ingredients sa loob, yung sili, onion and garlic. Ayan, para masarap. And hala, hindi ko pala nalagay diretso sa fridge guys. Ito yung sobra kanina sa aming ano, hindi ko kasi inopen. Ito yung binili ko, kotsinta. Ayan. So, ito yung ating talagang gustong kainin. Kaya tayo pumunta doon. And very thank you talaga kay Kimpoy Feliciano for uploading the video. Kasi nakita ko talaga kung saan ako pupunta next. Kasi meron namang mga Filipino restaurant na malapit dito sa amin, diba? Yun talaga is, you know, I have to drive 1 hour to get there. Pero kinaya ko talaga guys. Kasi paglilihi is life. And, yeah. Si, ano pala, si Kimpoy Feliciano pala, guys. Nandito pa siya sa Melbourne ngayon. So, hopefully, no? Mag-cross ang landas namin ba? Somewhere down the road. You'll never know. Ayan. Tapos, may kasamang niyog, of course, yung ating kutsinta. At bumili ako ng suman sa lihiya. Lihiya? Ayan, suman, guys. Oh. And I think it comes with this. Parang latik, guys. Oh my God. Sobrang sarap niya. And then, bumili ako ng turon. Nilagay nila sa foil na to para safe. Ayan. Ito yung extra kanina. Pero, bumili ako ng 3 more turon. Ayan. Turon is life. Kasi, yun pwede pa yan bukas. Pwede pa yan maabutan bukas. And then, itong mga ito, pwede pa siguro uy, mga 2 days, ganun. Kaya pa yan kainin ba? So, yun na yun. Bumili pala ako ng dingdong. Pero si daddy, ayun, nanonood ng TV. Tapos, nag-snack siya ng dingdong. I'm so excited sa mga pagkain ko, guys. But I'm having a headache right now. Sobrang. Anyways, hindi na ako magluluto ng dinner. Hindi na kami mag-dinner ni Daddy Mike. Kasi very full na kami from our lunch today. Kasi late na kami nag-lunch, diba? It's around 2:30 na yata yung kumain kami ng lunch. So, yun na yung dinner din namin, guys. And Paris is having something right now. And see if magugutom pa yan siya. We'll make her something. So, yan ang ating baby girl, oh. Nanonood ng Peppa Pig. And, what are you eating na?
Biscuit.
A biscuit.
Like
Ayan.
Jake.
Like Jake, yeah.
Jackie like it.
Jakey like that for sure. Ayan, guys, oh. Sobrang ano ng kanyang mukha. Beach pa more. Do you love the beach?
Jackie wanna go on my beach too.
Jake wants to go on your beach too.
Yes, yes.
Oh, wow. Next time we go to the beach, we'll bring Jake, yeah?
Yeah.
Would you like that?
Yes, I like the video and fun. I'm playing your friends.
Oh, good. Bring the friends. Is Jake your friend? Do you like that one now? That's yum-yum na ba? Yan pala yung Skyflakes. Yeah, Skyflakes na may
That's like
chocolate
Jakey.
na ano, guys.
That's Jake.
Like Jake. Yum-yum palonggo sa mama. Nak, what did Lola Karen say?
I did it.
What is it? Don't put in your mouth. You hurt your teeth. What did Lola say?
I did it.
Natawa talaga kami ni Daddy Mike kagabi, guys. Kasi nasa bed na kami. Tapos, itong si Paris, out of nowhere lang, guys. Sabi niya sa amin na, sabi daw ng Lola Karen niya, yun yung mama ni Daddy Mike. Sabi daw ng Lola Karen niya sa kanya, "Hello, little darling. Hi, little one." Ginaya-gaya niya, guys. Sobrang tawa. Ay, siya, little darling. Sobrang natawa talaga kami ni Daddy Mike.
Can get my one.
What is it, anak? Yum-yum.
Yeah. Daddy.
We'll rinse na yun, ha? Uy, Daddy had shower already na. We'll have a shower soon, okay? We'll rinse your hair. Oh, because your hair full of salt.
Nope.
Salt, yeah. Very salty.
I watch me.
Very salty.
I watch me.
I'm watching, sweetie. Mm. Ayaw pang umuwi ni Paris, guys. Gusto niyang magstay doon kasi may nakilala siyang friend doon ba. Si Paris, she doesn't wanna come home. Yeah?
Amen.
Sure. Gustong-gusto niya talaga yung beach. The same lang sila sa tatay niya. Yummy. Hi loves, time check tayo. It's now 9:30 ng gabi. And nandito na kami sa bed. As you can see, oh my God, yung ulo ko still masakit. Alam nyo, di ba, pinag-shower ko si Paris kanina. Sumabay ako sa kanya. So, kaming dalawa nag-shower kasi nga, I was hoping na after mag-shower, mawala yung sakit ng ulo ko. But, guys, ito pa rin. Sobrang sakit pa rin, guys. Dito, oh. Parang bibiyakin talaga ba yung aking ulo. And, yeah, I really hate it kasi hindi ako makapag-take ng, guys, medication. Although, nabasa ko sa, sa Google, guys, na kapag, ang tawag dito yung Panadol. So, ito yung parang paracetamol sa Pilipinas. Kapag daw, yung bang pang last resort na talaga yun na kapag hindi mo na talaga kaya, you'll take the Panadol. But then, I still don't want to take the risk, guys. Kasi, what if maapektuhan yung ating baby sa ating tummy, di ba? So, yeah, kakayanin na lang ni Mommy, guys. Anyways, ang ating baby girl ay nandun din, oh. Anak, can you wave na? Put your hand up. Paris, to the camera. Hello? Hello? Ayan. So, yung ginagawa niya ngayon, guys, ay nanonood ng kanyang, mga nursery rhymes. Ayan. But we are going to sleep very soon. Naka-timer na yung phone na yan para after nito, we'll go to bed kasi gusto ko na magpahinga, guys. But I just wanna say thank you sa inyong lahat. Taos puso yung pagpapasalamat ko sa inyo sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating channel. And sa mga bago nating subscribers, welcome sa inyo. Sana na-i-enjoy niyo yung mga vlogs natin. And before natin i-end, as always, we will do a quick shout out. And the first shout out goes to M's and J channel, Olivia Belza Morales from Bicol, Christine Namayan, Wilma Belarmino, Nanita Garcia, and shout out to Rowie Garcia and Cassie Lumanlan from San Roque, Magalang, Pampanga. Shout out to Ayen Capina, Amelia La Chica, and sa lahat daw ng kanyang family sa Pinas. Hello sa inyong lahat. Shout out. Shout out to Lovela Raduk. And shout out sa lahat ng mga taga-Estancia. Shout out to Evert Suta 53 and family Sweta. And of course, sa kanyang daughter na si Maria Micaela Sweta. O, diba sis? Alam na alam ko na yung pangalan ng anak mo sis kahit hindi mo i-type. Shout out to Sally Saminiano from Bicol. Janzi Pinay, Australia. Lucretia Dili from Cavite, but she's now in Aklan. Hello, thank you for watching. Shout out to Cherry May Ongayo, Fidis Piging, Boots Adalim, Nadine Edmundo, LV Monte Alegre, Alin Igar, Kimberly Lapornina, Emelita Gonzalez, Immaculate Gulayan, and Dragon TV Vlog, and also to Piamonte family, and also sa kanyang wife na si Rosalie Ripatacodo from Cavite. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up. Thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good.
Okay. Come on, bye.
Mwah. Close.